I'm going to show you how to draw this cartoon fish step by step. Stick around, oh yeah! We're gonna have a lot of fun doing this distance learning cartooning of a fish. It's gonna be swimming, as you saw, towards the left. Let's draw one big circle for the eye. All in favor say eye. Very cool. Now we're gonna draw the pupil looking off towards the left and then add some shading. Oh yeah. Now towards the left, we're gonna draw a big letter C for the mouth of our fish. Towards the top, very cool. Okay, can everyone say perspective? We're gonna draw that other eye, so draw another curved line, and then just part of the pupil, and then add some more shading. I know you like that song, oh yeah. Now at the bottom of the letter C that you drew, draw just a little line, and then we're gonna draw the bottom of the mouth and then stop. Just a little portion right there. Totally rad cool. Fish have pectoral fins to help them swim in the water. So let's draw a curved line from the left going up towards the right, and then we're gonna draw a line from the left connecting towards the right. Ratty cool. So for that perspective, you see the other eye, and you want to see part of the other pectoral fin. Remember to practice, practice, practice. Now we are going to draw the top of the fish and then the bottom of the fish, going around and then going on up and then stop. Leave a space right over there. Totally cool. Next, we are going to draw the caudal fin. We're going to draw, it looks like kind of a half of a butterfly wing, or kind of like the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Totally cool. Now the fish breathe the oxygen in the water with their gills. So we're going to draw 2 curved lines towards the right of the eyes. Ratty cool. In this section, we're going to draw the scales. We're going to draw some backward C's for the scales. Ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. I think I need to take music lessons with the Capistrano Unified School District music team. Oh yeah! The fin at the top is called the dorsal fin. I like to draw upside down U's for 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you notice, they get a little bit smaller each time. Oh yeah! Now inside each fin, I like to add detail. Watch what I do. 2 lines, 2 lines, 2 lines, and each of the fins totally ratted cool. Let's make our fish saying something. So we're going to write a small letter U underneath the mouth, and then we're going to add some shading, shading. Oh yeah! Now we're going to write the word fish. F-I-S-H with an exclamation mark. We're going to add a caption around it as well. We're going to go all the way around from the right towards the left, leave a space, and then write a letter V. Take your time and remember to practice, practice, practice. As you know, fish swim in the water, so let's draw some letter U's from the left and then stop, going all the way towards the right. So it looks like our fish is swimming in the water. Now let's draw the bottom of the ocean. I like to call it lumpy and bumpy, kind of like my oatmeal in the morning. Let's add seaweed at the bottom of the ocean. We're going to draw a wiggly line going up and then going down, a wiggly line going up and then going down. You could add as much seaweed as you would like. Very cool. Now let's add some detail, some texture down at the bottom. Draw some circles so it shows that there's maybe some sand down there and some barnacles. Totally ratted cool. Now we're going to add action lines to make it look like our fish is swimming through the water. So 2 curved lines at the top, 2 at the bottom, and then 1, 2, 3 wiggly lines. Fish like to blow bubbles in the water, so let's draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3, and then draw a letter C to show a little bit of a reflection. Thank you so much for watching me show you how to draw this cartoon fish step by step. Virtual high five, virtual high five, virtual high five. Great to see everybody. Thanks for watching this distance learning cartoon session. Radical.